Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing parts in safety. Put on gloves and confirm the correct bulb type for your Golf 4. Once done, disconnect the battery negative to prevent shorts while you work on the headlamp. Next, release the clips or unbolt the plastic cover at the back of the lamp. If needed, remove the wheel arch liner for easier access. Move deliberately and observe connector shapes so you don't force anything. This early care prevents damage and saves time later. You now focus on extracting the old lamp. Press the small tab on the electrical connector and pull it free, then release the metal retaining clip or twist the socket depending on your model. Gently pull the bulb straight out. Do not touch glass with bare fingers because oils shorten bulb life. Take a moment to inspect the housing seal and wiring for corrosion or frayed insulation and clear any debris. These checks explain why bulbs fail early and prevent recurring issues. You finish by installing the new bulb. Hold it by the base and align the tabs so it seats correctly, then secure the retaining clip or twist the socket until it locks. Reconnect the electrical plug, reconnect the battery negative, and test the light. Toggle dipped and main beams to confirm function. If the beam points off, adjust the headlight aim per the adjuster screws. Finally, reassemble covers and liners. If the light still fails, check fuses and wiring continuity before assuming a bad bulb.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.